Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a rudder angle indicator. An accurate rudder angle display is vital for safe and efficient vessel operation. Over time, these indicators can drift, showing a reading that doesn't match your actual rudder position. This deviation can lead to navigation errors and reduced control. Learning to properly adjust, it ensures your vessel responds precisely to steering commands, enhancing safety and maneuverability. The first step is to set the 0 point. Begin by confirming your vessel's rudder is at its exact midship or dead ahead position. For safety, always turn off all power to the indicator unit before proceeding. Next, you will need to access a small zero adjustment lever or potentiometer, often found inside the indicator's casing. Using a non-conductive tool, gently move this lever until the needle precisely aligns with the 0 degree mark. Once the 0 point is set, restore power to the system. Now, move the rudder to its full hard-over position, first to port, then to starboard. Observe the indicator's reading. You'll typically find a span or gain potentiometer inside the unit. Adjust this control so the indicator accurately reflects the rudder's maximum travel angle, for example, 35 degrees. Repeat this full range movement and adjustment 2 or 3 times to ensure consistent and precise calibration across the entire range. For significant initial deviations, first check the mechanical linkage connecting the rudder stock to the sensor. Adjusting its length can correct major errors. If the indicator moves in the opposite direction, simply reverse the signal and return wires, usually white and red, with the power off. Finally, always perform a thorough functional test, moving the rudder through its entire range to confirm accurate and smooth operation. For any persistent or complex issues, it is always best to consult qualified marine technicians.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.